What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about how to up your product photography game at home. Now today we're working with a company called Beanhead. This is not a sponsored video, I'm just using this for demonstration purposes only. I am taking photos of the product and I'm going to do it in a lifestyle type theme, and the best way to do that is to set a scene up for the product itself. So when you think of coffee, what do you think about? You think about the way it's brewed, you think about what goes hand in hand with it. Like a lot of people usually work or they'll read with coffee and just kind of set like that kind of mood of it. So I will be using this chopping board here, and I also have some other little props that I picked up. I got some chocolate because there is a chocolatey overtone to the coffee itself. I also have this really cool looking just coaster. It's like a stone coaster, like slat, I don't know. And then I have a book. Now any book works, doesn't matter which one. This one's actually kind of violent, so we won't focus too much on it. Yeah, and then I also have my French press that I will be having in the scene, and I'm trying to get some shots of me pouring over the coffee and just kind of see what I can come up with. So for the backdrop here, I do just have some foam core because will be out of focus and super easy to manipulate in post if I need it. So yeah, let's jump right into it. All right, now that I got some of the props, I'm going to focus on finding some compositions. I am going to have the book open and do a top-down shot with the book wide open. And I will also spill around some coffee grounds as well. Okay, so here's what we have so far. I'm going to be pouring the coffee in, and let's see what I can come up with. All right, now that I got that all set up, let's take a look at these shots. I can't believe that just happened. Let's try this again. So I just want to talk about the importance of setting a theme for your product photography. Now there is a lot of companies that still use white or black backgrounds, and you notice that a lot on Amazon products as well. But for Instagram, it is nice to set like a mood, a theme, and be able to draw people in and connect them with the product itself. So do a little research on your product. In this case, coffee is pretty simple to do. Something that I'm very passionate about, so I do love coffee. I'm quite the coffee connoisseur, and I like to be able to set a theme or mood to it. So using the book, it's super nice to just have in the background, the coaster, small items that generally don't cost much money because we usually have them at home, and it's very nice to utilize these. Simple things is shaking some coffee grounds down, as you saw in the photo. It just makes it pop a little bit more. It gives it a little bit more texture, and shooting on like a raw wood cutting board just kind of adds like an aroma that is set, I guess. I don't know, making stuff up. Yeah, so just step your product game up just by not taking the photo of the product itself on a piece of cloth or something. Try and set a theme for your product and just allow it to kind of be showcased in the everyday environment that it usually is used in. So whether you're reading or working or something that you usually do coffee with is like, I mean, I have it with everything, but the general idea of it is like small coffee shops out and about. But for like an at-home coffee like this, it is really nice to use it. Also showing that it is whole bean is definitely important as well. So this is just a quick little video on how to up your product photography game. And if you guys want a more in-depth photo on various products, let me know down below in the comments and I'd be sure to get that to you. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. It really does help. And I will be uploading a video every single week. So I'll see you in the next one.